Alright, this will be a retake of the elevator at IKEA in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I originally filmed this elevator in August 2020, but I'm back here today. So, this is the elevator. This elevator is right by the cafeteria. Just like the other elevator, it's a Schindler HXpress. Used to be a Dover Impulse. Alright, here it is. Go down to 1. Here we are at 1. Go back up to 2. There's your Dover logo down there. Here we are at 2. We'll get a cab view. Pretty basic cab. These are your fixtures. They're mad fixtures. Go back down to 1. Alright. Here we are at 1.
First floor.
Alright. Alright, get out here. We'll watch the doors close. And that's it.